Hey, what's up guys, welcome, and a friendly reminder, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. With that, let's swallow the biggest pill. Let's talk about the largest pill ever to be found on a phone. I have seen many punch hole smartphones after Samsung started the trend. Everyone is following them: Oppo, Poco, OnePlus, Realme, Honor, Huawei, and more will follow soon. But by far the punch hole of the Huawei Mate 40 Pro is the largest ever to be seen. Right now the S10 Plus 5G has the biggest hole punch, and this one seems as big if not bigger. Usually I prefer a punch hole over a notch, but this time I wouldn't be so sure. We get this very small extra useful area, but the area we lose is much greater. Just hear me out. Because this punch hole is much larger than usual, the notification bar is set way down compared to where it would have been if the punch hole was a notch. With a small notch this deep is how much it would have penetrated the display, and all this screen estimate in green would have been useful and free. But now we get this much extra display, but this much display area is lost, and nothing will be ever there unless you're watching a video or playing a game, which you obviously wouldn't be doing in full screen because the punch hole is that big. The large punch hole is home for dual cameras, wide and ultra wide. The dual cameras will also be helpful in selfie portrait mode for better edge detection and faster face unlock, and a bit better with the help of dual cameras. The same was also shown in renders earlier, which if you remember also showed that it has the very first 4-sided curve. 2-sided curve, yeah, that's a thing of past. And we definitely are moving towards this concept phone, which was a thing of dreams just a year or two ago. I can almost guarantee that it will be a dog when it comes to accidental touches, and an even bigger risk if it touches the ground or falls. But definitely I'm looking forward to experience this masterpiece in person. From the back we have a couple of leaked images of the Huawei P40. We have a deep blue color, and don't worry about this logo. It's a usual tactic from Huawei to put random logos on the place of the actual logo on their prototypes, and the same goes for the camera specs. It says blink here, but on the original one it will say Leica. On top it has a IR blaster, on the bottom it has a charging slot and a speaker grill, and obviously man, no headphone jack is there. At the rear we get triple cameras and a time of flight sensor, and some sensors and flashlight is also present. On the Pro variant we have an additional camera, and the whole camera assembly resembles the Galaxy S20 Ultra. And I said Pro twice deliberately. The 5-camera P40 is not just the Pro, but it's a special edition of the Pro which add one more camera over the standard Pro and the ceramic back instead of the glass, kind of like the Galaxy S10 Plus 5G, and that's why I said Pro. Seems like Huawei was impressed by the Galaxy S10 ceramic edition, so they did the same. On the Huawei P40 just Pro, this guy, it has only 4 cameras. Kind of weird when I say only 4 cameras. The additional 5th camera on the Pro is weird though.
Some say
that there are 2 zoom lenses, one which goes to 3x zoom and the other one which goes to 10x, but it can't be confirmed at the moment. Let me know guys your thoughts about what this 5th camera could do and about this pill punch hole. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and guys, thanks for watching.